Yeah, student, this is of our first problem. Let k be the length of the double ordinate which makes an angle of 60 degree at its vertex of the parabola whose vertex is 0, 0 and focus is 2, 0. And 16 tan x equal to k, then find k in radians. First of all, should know what is meant by double ordinate. Okay, the focal chord which is perpendicular to the axis is called double ordinate. These all are double ordinates. Now we want to find the length of one of the double ordinate, so that double ordinate means that a chord is making an angle 60 degree at this vertex. Okay, such a way that you want to find the length of the double ordinate. Again I want to draw the diagram for that. Yeah, sorry. Students, this is given parabola, standard one, that is what not mentioned, we can find, that is not a big problem. Vertex v 0, 0, yeah, focus s or f 2, 0. So draw one double ordinate. So this is the required double ordinate, for I assume that. Say this is AB is the required double ordinate, so that yeah, this angle equals 60 degree. Okay, double ordinate perpendicular. So first of all I want an equation of the parabola with vertex 0, 0 and focus 2, 0. Equation of parabola, standard one, y square equal to 4x only. Yeah, focus 2, y square equal to 8x indirectly I can say. Yeah. Now you want to find length of AB. Now I want to take coordinates of A in parametric form. Let A equal to 80 square comma 280. What is here? A here? A is 2, no, here A is 2 directly. I can say that point is 2t square comma 4t. Students, listen, Nana. So this point is taken as 8t square comma 2t, and this is origin. This is a point in first quadrant. Automatically this length becomes 2t and this length becomes 2t square. Okay, I think this is 4t. Okay, 4t, this is 4t and this length 2t square. I will write that. Then yeah, v, say this is m, nana, vm equal to 2t square comma am equal to 4t. What should find, nana? Length of double ordinate. By line of symmetry concept you can say that axis is the line of symmetry for double ordinate for a total parabola. So that's why here 30 degree, 30 degree and am equal to mb. I will write that from concept of line symmetry. Angle AVM equal to angle BVM equal to 30 degree and AM equal to MB. Length of double ordinate. What do you want? Length of double ordinate. Ordinate, that is AB, the 2 times of AM I can write, that is equal to 2 times of 4t I can write, that is equal to 8t. Just to you want to find t value. So by using any one of the right triangle we will get the value of I think I want to use this right triangle. From triangle AMV I will write in next page. From triangle AMV, from triangle AMV tan 30 degree equal to AM by VM. AM means I think 4t, VM means 2t square, that is equal to 2 by t. What is that? 1 by root 3 equal to 2 by t. Therefore t equal to 2 root 3. So from first equation I can say that AB is equal to 8 times of 2 root 3, that is 16 root 3. So you got length of double ordinate 16 root 3. Now I want to read the problem. K be the length of the double ordinate K. Now K equal to what I can say, K equal to, therefore K equal to 16 root 3. We got K now. What should find next? Yeah, 16 tan x equal to K. Next, sorry, 16 tan x given 16 tan x equal to K. 16 tan x equal to 16 root 3. Tan x equal to root 3. So here anything is not mentioned about x. What is x, acute or obtuse? Anything not mentioned. Assume that x is acute. Now I can say that x equal to 60 degree or pi by 3 radians. Okay, shorts. Yeah, next problem. Find the pole of this polar for this parabola. Okay, what is that parabola? First of all, I want to write the parabola. Given parabola is x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 8y plus 8 equal to 0, or x square minus 4x minus 8y plus 12 equal to 0. This is the parabola. Actually this is polar. We need to find pole. Let required pole be say alpha comma beta. How to solve this problem? That is interesting, Nana. With respect to this pole, find the polar for this parabola, and the resulting parabola, resulting polar and given polar are identical lines. From there we will get the values of alpha and beta. Okay, we know that polar for x1 comma y1 with respect to s equal to 0 is s1 equal to 0. Okay, here x1 and y1 acting just like alpha and beta, Nana. Okay, what is that? I will write what is s1. I will write here s1 equal to x1 minus 4 times of x plus x1 by 2, yeah, minus 8 times of y plus y1 by 2 plus 12. This is, yeah, polar for the pole x1 y1. Okay, now I want to simplify. First of all, x1 y1 minus 2x minus 2x1 minus 4y minus 4y1 plus 12. I write in next page clearly. X1 minus 2 of x, x1 minus 2 of x. Next, what should I write? Minus 4y1. Okay, minus 4y, sorry, minus 4y. So these two completed, this complete, remaining 12 minus 2x1 and what is that, 4y1 equal 0. That is polar of alpha comma beta with respect to s equal 0 is just like alpha minus 2 into x minus 4y plus 12 minus 2 alpha minus 4 beta equal to 0. This is 2. But given polar is 2x minus y minus 4. 2x minus 5 minus 4 equal to 0. This is third one. Why I wrote second? Actually this is first and second only, no problem. 1 and 2 are identical lines. 1 and 2 are identical lines. That is, where is that? Here. Alpha minus 2 by 2 should be equal to minus 4 by minus 1 should be equal to 12 minus 2 alpha minus 12 minus 2 alpha minus 4 beta by minus 4. So using this result we need to find alpha and beta. So directly here minus minus get cancelled, alpha equal to 10 while comparing these two. Somewhere next page I will write alpha equal to 10. Next I want compare these two nana. So minus minus get cancelled. So what will get? Minus 16 equal to 2 into 12 minus 2 alpha minus 4 beta. Okay, minus 16 equal to 12 minus, just we got alpha 20, I can write here, minus 4 beta. So this is minus 8 plus 8 minus 8 equal to minus 4 beta equal to 2. Therefore pole equal to required pole equal to 10 comma 2. Okay students, this is our third problem. If the vertex of the parabola y square equal to 8x is at the center of the circle and the parabola cuts the circle at its ends of its right rectum and k be the radius of that circle, then find the value of cos theta, so that cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Just you want to find k value. So already you know that the vertex of the parabola y square equal to 8x 0 comma 0. So indirectly given 0 comma 0 is the center of the circle. Okay, I will show you diagram through diagram. Okay, so first of all I want to draw the diagram for that. So this is the circle whose center is 0 comma 0. Yeah, this is given parabola, that is y square equal to 4 into 2 into x. This is latus rectum. Automatically this focus s equal to 2 comma 0, vertex 0 comma 0. Yeah, the vertex of the parabola is at the center of the circle. Yeah, and the parabola cuts the circle at its endpoints of latus rectum, and latus rectum, and k is the radius. Radius means radius of the circle. Just you want to find radius of the circle. That is the problem. So these are endpoints of latus rectum. Already you know how to find endpoints of latus rectum. Students, we know that ends of latus rectum for y square equal to 4ax are a comma 2a comma a comma minus 2a. Okay, what is a here? 2. That is a equal to 2 comma 4 comma b equal to 2 comma minus 4. Now I got a and b. If you join a b, that becomes the radius of the circle. That is what the problem, Nana. Just to join a b, I will use another color for that. Join a b, what you will get? That is the radius of the circle. Okay, I will write small r equal to ab equal to root over 4 plus 16, that is equal to root 20. Radius of circle is root 20. So k is root 20, that is k is root 20. K equal to root 20. So cosec theta plus cot theta k, then cosec theta plus cot theta is k, we want to find cos theta. So I will use next page for that. If cosec theta plus cot theta, cot that one equal to k, from this you want to find cos theta, then cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. So add these two relations. Okay, once what will get, Nana? We will get 2 cosec theta. 2 cosec theta means from that you can find sin theta, from that you can find cos theta. 2 cosec theta equal to k plus 1 by k, or cosec theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. This is equation 1. Say this is equation 2. How you got means 1 plus 2 gives. Do one thing. Directly from this you can find sin theta, from that you can find cos. That's not big problem. Or another way also you will get the result 1 minus 2 gives 2 cot theta equal to k minus 1 by k, or cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. So this is result number 3, Nana. This is a result number 4. So cos theta directly I can say that cot theta by cosec theta under condition. So what will get, Nana, here? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Just we want find cos theta means we want find k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 value. See student, cos theta you want, that is nothing, k square minus 1 k square plus 1. Just now we got k value, that is root 20. I will substitute, Nana. Okay, cos theta equal to k square means 20 minus 1 by k square plus 20, that is equal 19 by 21. Therefore the required cos theta value is 19 by 21 equal to 168 centimeters. Okay, now our next problem, last problem. A 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meters in height from the point at certain distance. Okay, a temple which is 30 meters high. Yeah, I want to draw the diagram for that. This is the ground, this is the temple, this is the boy. Okay, see, AB is the height of the boy, CD is the height of the temple, and BD is the distance between observer and temple. Okay, so this is given 1.5, this is given 30 meters. Okay, height of the boy equal to 1.5 meters. Height of the temple equal to 30 meters. Okay, the angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown is top of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. Initially, students listen now. So this is observer's eye. Should join observer's eye and object or crown of the temple. So this is called vision ray. We need to draw horizontal ray. This is horizontal ray. Now angle between vision ray and horizontal ray is called angle of elevation here. So what is the angle? 30 degree. So what happened? So that person is walking towards the temple. After some time, the position of the person is here. So I can say this is A dash comma B dash. A dash comma B dash is the position of the person after some time. Now at that time the angle of elevation of the eye of the observer changes to 60 degree or at 60 degree. Okay, now what should find? Find the distance travelled or he walked towards the temple. Let D is the distance that he travelled. That should find now. So here this is equal to AB that also equal to a dash b dash, that also equal to some m. I will take md, one thing. Okay students, yeah, let the distance traveled by boy b d meters, okay, meters. Just we need to find d meters, that's all. Also, yeah, b dash d equal to a dash m equal to some say x, some x. This is x, this is also x, this is also d only. Okay, so from triangle CMA dash, tan 60 degree equal to CM by A dash M. CM is 30 minus 1.5 by A dash M is x, that is 28.5 by x. Tan 60 root 3 x equal to 28.5. let it be equation number 1. Students, next I want to take triangle CMA. From triangle CMA, tan 30 degree equal to same CM by, observe here, CM by AM. AM is d plus x, AM, that is equal to 28.5 by d plus x. This 1 by root 3 equal to 28.5 by d plus x, or d plus x is equal to root 3 times of 28.5. Yeah, already something you got in equation, from equation here only, equation 1. So instead of x I can write root 3 28.5 by root 3. So d equal to root 3 into 28.5 minus x. X means I can write 28.5 by root 3. I can say from equation 1. So d equal to here 28.5 can take common, root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So next page I will simplify it. D equal to 28.5 into 3 minus 1 by root 3. So d equal to 28.5 into 2 by root 3. So d equal to, that is 57 by root 3, or d equal to 57 into root 3 by 3, or d equal to 3 ones are, yeah, 3 ones are 3, 3 19s are, so 19 root 3 meters. Therefore distance travelled by boy equal to 19 root 3 meters. Sometimes you need to simplify it. Instead of root 3 you can write 1.732, that is approximate value of root 3. So what you will get, that is approximate, but this is exact. 19 root 3 meters exact.